In today's video, I'm going to teach you the Shopify gift card complete tutorial. We'll walk through, step by step, how to create a gift card inside your Shopify admin. And I'll explain what each option means so you know exactly what you're doing as you set this up. First, head over to your Shopify dashboard and log into your store's admin. This is the main control panel for your entire store, where you manage products, orders, customers, and of course, gift cards. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the menu on the left-hand side and click on Products. Even though a gift card doesn't ship like a normal product, Shopify treats it in a similar way, which is why you'll find it under the Products section. Inside Products, you'll see a few different options and tabs. Find and click on Gift Cards. This will open the dedicated area where all your existing gift cards are listed and where you can create new ones. To create a new one, click on Create Gift Card. This opens a form with all the details you need to set up your card properly. At the top of this page, you'll see a field called Gift Card Code. Shopify will usually auto-generate a secure code for you. You can leave this as it is, which is recommended for most stores. Or you can type in a custom code if you have something specific in mind, like a themed or promotional code. Just keep in mind that codes should be easy to read and hard to guess. Next, you'll see the field titled Initial Value. This is the amount of money the gift card will be worth. Go ahead and enter the value you want to load onto this card. Think about your typical product prices and choose an amount that makes sense for your customers. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll find a notes section with a small pen icon. If you want, click the pen icon to add internal notes. These notes are only for you and your team, and they can be helpful for tracking why the card was created, who it's for, or any special conditions. Below that, you'll see the expiration settings. You can choose to have no expiration date, which means the card will remain valid indefinitely. This can be customer friendly, but make sure it matches your store policy and local regulations. If you prefer to limit how long the card is valid, click on Set Expiration Date. Then pick the date when you want the card to expire. After that date, the code will no longer work. Once you've reviewed everything, and you're happy with the code, the value, the notes, and the expiration settings, go to the top or bottom of the page and click Save. Shopify will create the gift card, and you're done. Your new gift card is now ready to be issued to a customer or used in your store whenever you need it.